Hello viewers, today I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram SMS fee problem on iPhone. To do this, first go to your settings, scroll down and tap on General and tap on iPhone Storage and search for Telegram application. Tap on Telegram and tap on Upload App and reinstall app. After that, go back and go to your app store. Search for Telegram. Update your Telegram application if it's available. Now try again to log in your Telegram. Tap on Continue. Enter your any active email address. Tap on Continue. Now check your email and get the verification code. By doing this process, you can successfully solve your problem. If this method doesn't work for you, then you can try another 3 methods. Method 1. Don't request code repeatedly. You tap Send code to Mini-Music. Times Telegram may switch to a pic. SMS. Wait 24 hours and try again later. Method 2. Try a different network, music or SIM card. Method 3. Use Call Me option if it's available. Tap Didn't get the code? Receive a phone. Call. This option usually free and avoid SMS